Hi guys, I am back to film a back to school clothing haul for you guys. I start school in less than a week. Like seriously, September 4th is like right around the corner. So I decided just to film a haul for you guys since I did go shopping for this back to school season. So let's get started. I do not want to ramble because I do not want to make this video longer than it probably already is. So I'm going to try to go as quick as possible because I hate sitting through videos and it's like 20 minutes. You know what? Let me just stop because I'm already talking and I love to talk. So let's get started. The first place I'm going to show you guys that I went to is Charlotte Russe. I love this store. It's very affordable. So let's get started. First off, I just got these pair of boots and they were having like a sale. Like all boots were like $40. So I just had to like take up on that offer. So I just got these long black. Seriously, do I not know my colors? I said black. I meant brown riding boots, and they're just like this, and it zips up in the back, and they're super tall, and I love them. And it just has like a buckle on the side. And please forgive my my voice right now. I am like currently sick at the moment because like I have like a stuffy nose or whatnot. And then moving where else? Sorry guys, I'm just picking this stuff up off the floor. I am just like out of it today. I just got two leggings. They were buy one get one free, so I just got these pair and they are black with like some type of design. I don't know, flowers, leaves, dots, I don't know. It's just peach, black, and white. And then I just got these black pair, which I absolutely like love. Like it's so cute. It's just green and pink and white. That's nice. And I just got two basic tank tops. These were on sale. They were $5. So I just got white because it's like you always can't go wrong with white and black because like you can put them under anything. You can dress them up, dress them down, whatever you may like. And then honestly guys, this shirt is literally like my favorite to this date. Like it is so gorgeous. I just love it. It's just me. It's white, it's loose, it's flowy. It is just great. It is just this white blouse with, it's very long and flowy, and just have like these orange peaches like right there. I also went to Guess. I just purchased a couple things. I've got these black Guess crepes or like shoes, whatever you want to call it. They're just nice. It just has the white sole, and then right here on the back it just says Guess, Guess, and it's just sparkly, and I love them. They're just like, I don't know what I would describe these as, like tennis shoes or whatnot. I don't know. I'm tired. And then I just got these basic jeggings from Guess. They're just like a dark blue. It's just like that. And then on the butt it just has like the Guess logo, which is that just Guess. And these were like $45. I just got this Claire tote bag for school or swim, the beach, whatever. I just had, and this was $40. And then I just got two jewelry items from Guess. I just got these pair of earrings with the bows, and it has 3 sets, and it's cute. We have a gold pair, we are all gold pair with like silver fake diamonds, and then just black and gold pair. And this was $13. And then I just got this necklace that I really pair with all those 3 necklaces. It's just this, and it's just with the bow with the little heart, and then right here it just says Guess right there, and this was $15.
I had to just go to, of course, Victoria's Secret because like I love this store. It's my favorite store ever. So I had to get bras. Yes, can we just give a round of applause for bras right now? Victoria's Secret bras are like honestly like the best thing to freaking happen to women. Like honestly, like they're just so soft and oh, don't get me started. So I just got this bra. It's striped right there, and it collapses in the front, and the straps are black and white polka dots. And honestly, wait for it, the back is literally amazing. Like look at it, it's just like a rib cage with the stripes. This would be so cute, especially like in the summertime, although it is fall. But you know, I can wear this in the summertime too as well with like a muscle tee and have it kick it out in the back. That'll be so freaking cute. And this was $32.50. And if you guys want to know, I'm a 38C in these bras. I mean, I don't have big boobs, but I got a little something. And then I just got this very plummy color, and I got these for the 2 for $50 bras. So I just got this, just all over purple, which is cute. And then I just got this one, which I'm in love with. It's like so cute. It's like one of my favorite colors, like this baby blue. And it just has a lot of rainbow colors. Like you have the orange, you have the turquoise, you have the dark blue, you have the yellow, the greens. It's just a really pretty bra. And then they had the 7 for $26 bra. I mean, underwear. Sorry guys, I'm just caught up all in the moment. They had the 7 for 26 underwear, and I just had to grab them because like underwears are like literally my freaking life. You can never have enough bras or underwear. So I just got this maroon pair, the boy shorts with a lace at the top, and it just says pink all over it, like in the single letters PINK for like the cheetah print. And then I just got this pair, just says love pink, and these are the bikini shorts, well, just the bikini. And I just got this pair, it just says pink, pink, pink all over it. And I just got this gray pair, it doesn't really say anything over it, it's like a marble effect. And then I just got this classic black pair, pink, 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 pink. And then this pair, and I absolutely love it because like cheetah print is like adorable. Also from Victoria's Secret, I did get a hoodie and whatchamacallit, sweatpants. There you go. It's not sweatpants, they're like the collegiate sweatpants. They're like the capri short pants, and they are just gray, and on the side it just says love pink and black, and these are so cute, and it'll be cute with those Guess shoes. Yep, it will. And then I just got this hoodie, and it's just black, and it just says love pink right here. And I just think they're so adorable. R2 and Juicy Couture, which is, this is like, I like that store. It's very nice. Some people would say it's like very expensive, but like to me, I would rather pay like $50 for a good quality hoodie than pay $10 for a cheap hoodie. When I wash it, the color will fade away and get like holes and rips in it. So I'd rather pay the $50 for the hoodie. So I just got these black pairs, and the cuffs at the bottom, gold detail. And on the back, it just says JC, which stands for Juicy Couture. And this is, there I popped the tags off of it, but this was $55. And then the hoodie that I got to go with it is this. It's just pink, and it just says JC and silver like rhinestones, and this was $55 as well. And I think that outfit will be so cute like in the winter fall time transitioning with my pink Berry Bow Uggs. Jesus, that outfit will be so I just got like a classic pair of shoes that I'm pretty sure everybody and their mama has, but you know what, I don't care because I'm really not like a sneaker person. I'm more of like the flats, the boots type of girl, but you know, you just have to have a pair of sneakers in your closet somewhere, right? Am I right or am I wrong? So I just got this black classic pair of Converses. You can never go wrong with getting black because like what, black goes with everything, so that's that.
That's them. I did get the pants as well, but I forgot to bring it out here to show you guys, but it was just like a dark pair of pants from Express, and I like these are like light blue washed, and there it is, Express jeans, and I absolutely love Express jeans because they're so soft and comfortable. Then guys, moving straight on.
Like, honestly, another one of my Holy Grail stores. Like at first I never liked this store, but now I love it because they have great, cute, beautiful stuff.
Knowing me, I'm a very like, I love flashy things, but at the same time, I can be very casual when I want to. So I just got this baseball tee look-alike with the pocket right where is it? The pocket is right here. And it's stripes and maroon. And I just like that. And then I just got the same one, but in navy. And then I just got another pair, another like baseball tee look-alike. It's gray, and it has maroon details, and these will be super cute because I have like these maroon flats that'll be so cute with some capris or like some pants. That'll be like so great. And then I just got these loose fitting, like those loose pants, and it just has like, it's like an Aztec print, and this would be so cute. And it's like the leg is like super huge. I just got like this shirt, it's flowy, and it just has like flowers all over it. This is like one long freaking haul. Jesus. And then I just got these Galaxy Prince leggings, and these are so cute. And then I just got these gray leggings, and it has gold buttons right here, and these are Calvin Klein. I'm surprised that Marshalls had Calvin Klein there. I was like, what? And then I just got this adorable black shirt. It's long sleeve, and then it has like a big old, it's like an opening, it like drapes down. This would be cute with those flowy pants that I was talking about. Those would be adorable. And then of course I got another baseball tee. It's striped and it's gray and green, and it has the pocket, and it would be so cute. So that's, you can tear those off. Just tan suede, I don't even know how to describe this color. It's like a brownish color, tannish color, lightish color, and it has these 3 buckles on the side. It's very cute, and it has like a nice little chunk heel. These honestly, they're comfortable, and I'm not like a heel person at all, so that's that. It's very nice and comfortable, and then it just zips, yeah, and that's that. And these were like $40, $50, so they weren't bad. And then I just got these Steve Madden brown slippers, and I know it's like the fall time, but I was just wanted them because I might wear them on the first day of school, and that's that. And these were freaky as well.
And I'm just trying to go through these as quick as possible. I just got this loose fitting tan shirt, and this has the buttons that go up here like that, and this about this long. And then I got this shirt, and I fell in love with it. It just screams me. It's a long sleeve polka dot button up shirt, and it's like inside out because like I was trying it on, so do not mind that. So that's that. Very cute navy with polka dots, and this would be cute with some black jeggings with like these boots that I have, but it's not in this haul. And excuse all these loud noises in the background, like I'm on the porch because this is literally like the best lighting I have. So it's like all these neighbors and kids like screaming. I can't take it, but just to do this video for you guys, that's what I'm freaking doing. Jesus. And then I just got this black peplum top, and then these black legging jeans with studs in the front and in the back. And then I just got this chevron top. It's brown, black, blue, and lime green. It's really cute. And then I just got these pair of jeans. They're dark wash, and I absolutely love them. They're like jegging material, legging material. And then I just got these like jogger pants. Really nice. They like get tight at the bottom. They're very loose fitting. They're purple, orange, blue, black, and I absolutely love them. And white, loose fitting. This will be cute with like that long little flowy shirt. And then I just got like another pair, but instead they are gray with orange lacing, like a hot orange, neon orange lacing. Now I have to raise my voice because these kids are literally freaking raising their voices. Like, do they not see me doing a freaking video? I don't want you guys to think I'm like a mean person. I'm not. I'm the most sweetest little person ever, but I have my moments. I really do. And then, also from there, I got this black peplum top with white. It's inside out, but you can still see the design. And it's hot pink coral. And then, this kimono is very cute, and it fringes, and this will be real cute. I'm going to wear this for the first day of school with a nice inside shirt,
American
probably.
Eagle,
And my
and I
Steve Madden
got this beautiful
jacket.
leather
This would be so
biker.
cute in the fall with some combat boots.
This
Yeah,
is
this would be so
the
cute.
jacket,
And
and it's long, and it has zippers. See American Eagle, and this was like $45, I believe. Got it in American, and that's all that I got. And then I went to Michael Kors, and I just got this long sleeve black and white shirt. It's inside out, and then in the front it just zips up, and it has like the logo, and it says MK, which stands for what? Michael Kors. Flats from Michael Kors. They're like a brownish color, and it has the buckle in the front, and it just says Michael Kors, which you can't see. I just wish it had like a big old thing that says MK so people know what I have on, but it doesn't matter. It's Michael Kors anyways. So that's that for Michael Kors. And then I just got these things from Calvin Klein. As you can see, it just says Calvin Klein. It's a long, just plain old sweater. And then these legging jeans, which is adorable. Oh wait, these aren't Calvin Klein. They're actually Michael Kors. My bad. So as you can see, Michael Kors. Long, beautiful, nice,
my butt
fits me
just
well.
looks, but don't. Like, it looks
These
amazing.
black socks and these Converse All-Star to go inside my Toms and my Converses, so they won't mess up my feet, and so the shoes will not stink. So that's all for this haul. Sorry guys, it is very long, and that's all I want to say. And also I did get more stuff from Victoria's Secret, but it was just like the fragrances, so stay tuned for like the next 2 videos. That'll be in a beauty haul that I'm going to do, so please stay tuned for that. Please check out my previous videos from back to school, like the series. It was the makeup for glasses. Please check that out. And I guess that's all I have to say. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and please subscribe. Comment down below whatever videos you guys want me to do, and I will surely do them. Thank you guys for watching, and love you. Bye.